10 Best Leveling Kit for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. ReadyLIFT LoadLifter 5000 Air Springs for 2019 plus Ram 1500. Ram 1500 owners. Ever find your truck squatting under a heavy load or a hefty trailer? That ends now. Introducing the ReadyLIFT LoadLifter 5000 Air Springs, precisely engineered to transform your 2019 plus Ram's towing and hauling capabilities. These aren't just any springs. They're fully adjustable air springs, providing an incredible 5,000 pounds of load leveling support. The benefit? Your truck maintains a perfectly level stance, drastically improving stability, handling, and ride comfort. Forget white-knuckle drives. Enjoy a consistently safe and smooth journey. Plus, with comprehensive, easy-to-follow instructions, installation is a breeze. Elevate your Ram's performance and rediscover confident adventures. Number 9. ReadyLIFT HD Air Springs for Ram 1500. Ram 1500 owners, 2019 to 2024. Enhance your truck's performance with ReadyLIFT HD Air Springs. Designed to eliminate sag and deliver up to 2,100 pounds of load leveling capacity, these robust air springs ensure your truck handles heavy loads with the same composure as when empty. Their key feature is an air-adjustable range from 5 to 50 psi, allowing you to precisely tailor your ride for any situation. Increase pressure for towing heavy trailers, or reduce it for comfort when driving empty. Experience improved handling, better braking, restored headlight aim, and tire protection. It's the ultimate solution for enhanced stability and control, a smart upgrade your Ram deserves. Number 8. Ram 1500 2.5-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit. Ready to transform your truck's stance and capability? Our 2.5-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit is engineered for your 2006 to 2021 Ram 1500 4WD and other compatible models. Experience a true 2.5-inch lift that not only eliminates nosedive, but also provides unmatched ground clearance, letting you conquer any terrain with confidence. Want to fit those aggressive larger tires and custom rims? This kit makes it possible. Crafted from premium 6061 T6 aluminum alloy with CNC precision, anodic oxidation, and heat treatment, it guarantees exceptional durability, stability, and corrosion resistance, complete with robust 12.17 class studs. Installation is a breeze, taking only 1 to 2 hours without special tools. Upgrade today for a safer, more comfortable, and commanding driving experience. Number 7. Ram 2WD 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit. Ready to give your Ram 2WD that assertive, level stance it deserves? Our 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit is engineered to deliver. Expertly crafted from robust 6061 T6 aluminum alloy with CNC precision, this kit ensures unbeatable strength, perfect fitment, and lasting durability. Premium 12.9 grade bolts, heat-treated and anodized, guarantee superior corrosion resistance and reliability. Beyond the aggressive new look, enjoy increased ground clearance, allowing you to confidently tackle off-road obstacles and fit larger, more imposing tires. Installation is a breeze, typically completed in just 1 to 2 hours without any cutting, drilling, or strut disassembly. Compatible with a wide range of 1994 to 2018 Ram 1500/2500/3500 2WD models, excluding certain cabs/air ride. It's the ultimate upgrade for enhanced capability and undeniable presence. Number 6. Dodge Ram 1500 4WD 2.5-inch Front Leveling Kit. Ready to give your Dodge Ram 1500 4WD that perfect, aggressive stance? Our 2.5-inch front leveling kit is precisely engineered to eliminate that factory nose-down look, lifting your truck by a true 2.5 inches. Crafted from CNC machine billet aluminum and powder-coated black, it seamlessly integrates with your suspension, ensuring superior durability and a factory-match finish. What's even better, installation is incredibly simple. You'll be done in about 1.5 to 2 hours, without the hassle of strut or coil disassembly required by other kits. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, This kit is specifically for Ram 1500 4WD models from 2006 to 2025, and it does not fit 2WD. Elevate your ride with confidence. Number 5. Ram 1503 has Leveling Lift Kit, 2009 to 2024. Ready to transform your Ram 1500? Our 3 halves Leveling Lift Kit gives your truck that assertive stance you've been looking for. Engineered for a true 3-inch front and 2-inch rear lift, it perfectly eliminates factory rake. No suspension geometry tricks, just real height. Crafted from aerospace-grade 6061, T6 billet aluminum with 12.9 grade bolts and a high-temperature powder coating, this kit ensures unmatched durability and a precise fit for your OEM components. Designed for 2009 to 2024 Ram 1500 4WD and 2020 to 2024 2WD models, it also enhances handling and stability. You'll gain vital ground clearance for any terrain and the freedom to mount larger tires, achieving that aggressive, head-turning look. Elevate your Ram's capabilities and presence confidently. Number 4. Ram 1500 Air Suspension ReadyLIFT 1.5 Leveling UCA. Give your 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 with factory air suspension the stance it deserves. The ReadyLIFT 1.5 Leveling UCA kit is engineered for your new body style 4WD truck. Achieve a commanding 1.5-inch level, eliminating factory rake and instantly transforming your Ram's appearance to be more aggressive and capable. This kit isn't just a level. It includes robust, new tubular upper control arms, UCAs. These UCAs are critical for maintaining proper alignment and optimizing suspension geometry after lifting, ensuring superb ride quality. Designed specifically for seamless integration with your factory air suspension, this complete solution also allows for larger tires. Elevate your Ram's look and performance with confidence. Number 3. Dodge Ram 1500 RWD 3-inch front leveling kit. Ready to give your Dodge Ram 1500 RWD 2002 to 2014 excludes megacab, that commanding presence it deserves? Our 3-inch front leveling kit is your answer. Not only will you achieve a more aggressive, rugged stance with ample room for larger tires, but you'll also enjoy a higher driving angle for a clearer, more confident view of the road ahead. Crafted from solid steel with a durable, powder-coated finish, these lift spacers are built to withstand anything, ensuring lasting performance in all conditions. Best of all, they maintain your factory ride quality, so you don't sacrifice comfort or safety for style. Installation is a breeze, a direct bolt-on solution requiring minimal modification and basic tools. Elevate your Ram experience today. Number 2. Ram 1500 2500 3500 3-inch front leveling kit. Ready to banish that nose-down look on your Ram? Our 3-inch front leveling kit instantly transforms your Ram 1500 1994 2018 or 2500/3500 1994 to 2011 2WD, giving it a powerful, balanced stance. Enjoy increased ground clearance for larger tires, turning heads, and conquering varied terrain with ease. Crafted from premium, anodized black polyurethane, this kit is engineered for extreme durability, resisting rust and cracks across all temperatures, ensuring a long, reliable service life. You'll also experience a smoother, quieter ride by significantly reducing road noise and vibrations. Installation is remarkably simple, typically completed within 1 to 2 hours without cutting or modifying original parts. Elevate your Ram's appearance and performance today, a difference you'll truly feel. Number 1. Ram 1500 2-inch preloaded leveling struts. Ready to transform your Ram 1500 2012 2018 4WD, classic included. Our 2-inch preloaded leveling struts are engineered specifically for your truck, eliminating that factory rake and giving you a commanding 2-inch lift. Forget complicated spacer kits. These are true bolt-on, one-piece units with pre-tension coils for hassle-free installation. Experience an unparalleled ride thanks to advanced, infinitely variable damping and a nitrogen charge. This means seamless control whether you're cruising highways or tackling trails, adapting perfectly to speed and temperature extremes. Built with heavy-duty components like a 1.3/8 bore, chrome piston rod, and leak-proof seals, these struts are engineered for unmatched durability, even in the toughest Canadian conditions. Get ready for a superior look and feel. So, that sums up my 10 best leveling kit for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,